Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable undo send on Outlook.com. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Microsoft Outlook account. This will take you directly to your email inbox where you can access all your messages and settings. After your inbox loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon there, which represents your Outlook settings. Go ahead and click on this icon to open your settings menu. This is where you'll be able to customize various features and preferences for your Outlook experience. Once the settings menu opens, look at the left side of your screen where you'll see several options. Click on the Mail tab to access mail-specific settings. This will reveal additional mail configuration options that control how your email functions. From the list that appears, locate and click on Compose. This section specifically handles settings related to composing and sending emails, which is exactly what we need for enabling the undo send feature. Now, within the compose settings, scroll down through the available options until you find undo send. This is a crucial feature that gives you a safety net when sending emails, allowing you to retract a message if you spot an error or change your mind immediately after clicking send. You'll see a slider or radio button that lets you configure the time window for undoing sent emails. Drag this button to set your preferred undo send window in 5-second increments. For example, you might choose 5, 10, or 15 seconds depending on how much reaction time you want. This setting determines how long the undo option will remain available on the bottom right part of your screen after you send an email, giving you that critical window to cancel if needed. Once you've configured your desired time window, make sure to click the Save button located at the bottom right part of your screen. This will apply and retain all the changes you've just made to your undo send settings. And that's it. You've successfully enabled undo send on Outlook.com, and now you have that extra layer of protection whenever you send an email. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.